Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the African Digital Skills Conference 2023. My name is Eric Appiah. I'll be taking you for today's topic, which is leveraging AI tools for productivity. Today, we are going to discuss what AI is, AI tools that are available for improving productivity in the workplace. Also, AI tools that you can use to start online business, and also the background of AI and the whole noise about AI, what it is, and the future of AI. Like I said, my name is Eric Appiah. I'm the director of Appiah Info Tech Systems. So I begin. What is AI? When we keep hearing AI in the news, what exactly is AI? AI is a short form of artificial intelligence, okay? And it's a broad field of computer science that is focused on building smart machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. So artificial intelligence, or AI, is basically focused on processes, human processes or tasks that requires reasoning. So we can train, if you can train machine to reason the same way and then take up these tasks instead of humans doing themselves, then we are as much as well doing an artificial intelligence. Okay, so this encompasses a range of functions such as learning. Of course, the machine should be able to learn just as the humans also learn. Reasoning, the machine should be able to reason. Problem solving, the machine should be able to solve problems. Perception, the machine should have a perception. And AI and language understanding. Of course, the basic of every communication is understanding. So the AI should be able to, first of all, learn. Secondly, reason, solve problem, have a perception, and understand languages. Okay. There is increasing adoption of AI tools in business operations. What are they? What AI tools can we adopt in business operations that can help to increase productivity? Okay, so most of us have heard of ChatGPT. That goes the world to keep talking about artificial intelligence and all that. Now, what can we adapt these AI tools in our business operations? A lot of people are now adapting these AI tools in the business operation. Which area? Okay, so businesses are increasingly integrating AI tools across various departments and operations, from customer service chatbots and automated marketing platforms. So for chatbots, we can see that Vodafone has a Toby AI. The banks are also adopting the use of chatbots that have pre-programmed answers to your questions that so whenever you ask them questions, they are able to answer you. Okay, and automated marketing platforms to advance predictive analytics in finance, so that is the banking, and supply chain optimization. AI is becoming central to business growth and competitive strategy. What this means is that artificial intelligence has now become the center stage for business growth and competitive strategy. So people who are using AI tools in their businesses have the competitive edge over others. Okay. Sales forecasting, risk management, personalization, and inventory management are just a few areas where AI is being adopted to improve accuracy and efficiency. As AI technology advances, its adoption in business is expected to escalate, driven by the demand for greater precision, automation, and insight. So as the AI advances, we keep hearing day in, day out, there are several advances in AI, and it has really escalated. So we are now demanding, everyone is now demanding for greater precision. Precision here means the AI will be accurate. We are looking for accurate AIs, okay, with minimized errors, okay, and then automation and great insights. How can AI start and scale profitable online businesses? So, for example, you want to use AI in your business, and then you want to use it to start and scale profitable online business. So imagine a future where starting an online business is as easy as expressing an idea to an AI assistant. So you can just start an online business just by going to any of the AI platforms, such as the ChatGPT, and then Google, type in your idea, okay, and then the AI assistant will generate ideas for you, help you to, from start to finish, will help you model the business, and everything that goes into the business can be done by the artificial intelligence. So there is literally a zero rate of people saying that I don't know what to do again, because right now everything, you can just start a business just by exploring the idea from the artificial intelligence. The artificial intelligence will help you with the start, the processing, the processes that are involved in your business, especially online businesses, to finish. All of this information can be given to you by the artificial intelligence. So AI has the potential to transform the entrepreneurial landscape by empowering virtually anyone to launch and scale an online business with minimal human intervention. So there are literally tools in every area of the business. So from idea creation, that is, you can use these chatbots such as the Bing chat, the ChatGPT, to literally get the idea. Then, of course, if you need a website, there are also other tools to develop the website for you in just maximum of 3 minutes if you have your content ready. And then after the website, you can get an AI that will help you with sales copy to actually market the business. So everything from start to finish, you can use artificial intelligence to finish, to start a business online, and the artificial intelligence will actually guide you. And then there are also tools that will help you to make the processes easier and efficient. Okay, so let's look at the areas. Market research. So if you are doing a business, the most important part of a business is the market research. Okay, with the market research, AI tools can perform market research, identify trends, and evaluate competition, providing entrepreneurs with actionable insights to position their online business effectively. So basically, you can use AI to search. So you can search, tell the AI tool to search online, and then give it the keywords in your area of business that is, and then you can give it the context or the location. Let's say you are in Ghana, and then you are doing, let's say, e-commerce. So the AI tool should analyze e-commerce businesses in Ghana, identify trends, and then get your market research, evaluate competition, and then it will provide you as an entrepreneur the actionable insights to position your online business effectively. One of the very key thing to online business is SEO, search engine optimization, where you can get the AI to give you the list of search engine optimization stuff that are currently in your area, so that you can implement these search engine. Search engine optimization is basically what people search online. Okay, so for example, my name is Eric. I want to buy laptop online. I go to Google, laptop companies in or shops in Ghana. Then Google will bring up companies that are dealing in laptops. Now, if you are able to use AI tools very well, they will give you the keywords, okay, that are used in the search engine such that when I type when I'm searching for laptops and you're a laptop company, your company should appear in the first 5 search, okay, results. Now, the next one is a tailored business plan. One of the biggest headache of entrepreneurs is to write a very good business plan, okay, that will help that will help their business, okay. This has been solved by an AI, so you can literally put what you do, your business name, and tell the artificial intelligence to generate a workable business plan for you. And then you can leverage the AI to create a business plan. Of course, you customize it with your financial models and then marketing strategies, and then you can refine it to suit the specific niche or your target market. Okay. Another area is automated supply chain. So AI-driven supply chain management can predict demand, optimize inventory, and reduce overhead costs, ensuring efficient operation from day one. So if you are into an e-commerce business like Jumia, you can actually use AI to predict which products are in demand or are going to be in demand in the next 3 months. That will help you to optimize your inventory and then prevent you from going for goods that will basically be there without people buying. Okay, so this will help you to be an efficient company. The next thing is personalized customer experiences. With advanced AI algorithms, you can create highly personalized shopping experiences that increases customer engagement and loyalty through tailored recommendations and support. So with AI, advanced AI, I'm very sure Facebook and co, they are using AI to, of course, get your data and use your data to give you a very good customer experience. Okay. The next section is market automation. So you can use AI-powered marketing tools to automate campaign across multiple channels. So and then you can continuously learn and adapt to consumer behavior for maximum impact. And then the last one is data-driven growth. So with AI tools, you can get real-time analytics, and then the AI can help with help the businesses to quickly adapt to market changes and customer feedback, fueling growth with data-driven decisions. Okay, now let's look at the tools. Let's look at, now that we have a background of what artificial intelligence is, the areas we can apply artificial intelligence. Let's look at the tools in artificial intelligence that are currently trending that we can use in various areas. Okay, the first one is idea. You have nothing to do, you want to start a business. What business do you want to start? So you can literally use any of these to search around the business that you want, or even tell the artificial intelligence to generate a business for you, a business idea for you. So literally, you don't have to think a lot. With the speed of thought, you have your idea to work with. Of course, bearing in mind you have to do the market research. Now you can use tools like Claude AI, Chat GPT, Bing Chats that are revolutionizing the way ideas are generated and refined. So you can actually use these tools to also refine your idea. These tools process vast amounts of data, providing innovative insights and suggestions that fuel the creative process. So, for instance, ChatGPT's prowess in content generation has been a boon for creators, aiding in rapid ideation and development of content. So, for ideas, we have tools like the Claude AI. You can actually search Claude AI and then you get the website. You can search the ChatGPT, and then you'll be able to search or refine your idea. You can also use Bing Chat. You can also use Perplexity. You can also use Beta Search. So first of all, let me practically open my ChatGPT, and then I'm going to share that one instead. Let me share the ChatGPT. Now let me search for ideas. Okay, so I can literally search. Okay, help generate ideas for online business. Okay, I'm searching ChatGPT, and then let's see the response from ChatGPT. Starting an online business is an exciting venture. So you can see that the ChatGPT is literally providing me with all the ideas for the online business. Okay, so from e-commerce to subscription service to digital products, to online consulting or coaching, to tech services, to freelance services, educational services, creative arts. So all these are areas or ideas that the ChatGPT can generate for you. So you can still query the ChatGPT. So for example, the ChatGPT wrote e-commerce. So I want to go into e-commerce. Help me. So let me ask ChatGPT. I want to go into e-commerce. Provide me with all the details needed. Okay, so you can see that I used the example e-commerce. So I want to go into e-commerce. Now, the ChatGPT is giving me all the step-by-step processes that I will go through. So first of all, I'll do a market research. That is the step one. The step two, I'll do a business planning. I'll do a legal and administrative setup. So you can actually see that the artificial intelligence can actually guide you from giving you ideas to the step-by-step process to even finishing the business. Okay, and then if you are even encountering any business challenges, the artificial intelligence will help you. Mind you, ChatGPT is not the only tool that you can use. Okay, so I showed you that there are other tools that are available as well. We have the Claude AI, we have the Bing Chat, we have the Perplexity. Okay, we have better research, and Google even has an artificial intelligence that is also connected to online. Okay, so what you are learning from this this conference, okay, is that one, you can use the artificial intelligence to generate idea. That is number one. Number two, after generating the idea, you can literally tell the artificial intelligence to tell you the step-by-step processes of which you take your business from the idea to the finish, where you are actually having a product or service to sell, okay, or services to offer. Okay, so with that, you can actually start a business right away. So by the end of this conference, don't wait. Just start a business by just going into having a conversation with the artificial intelligence. Any of them. You can use the Bing Chat, you can use the ChatGPT. Tell the artificial intelligence to give you ideas of businesses, either online or local. And then, of course, tell it to give you all the step-by-step processes that are involved in setting up that business. I gave you an example. An example is the chat section I was having with ChatGPT. Okay, so I first of all asked for ideas and then told it to go into details about the e-commerce. Okay, I can continue the conversation back and forth till I have all the knowledge that are involved in this particular e-commerce business. I can also choose the other idea. The one I think you can do as soon as possible is the ebooks idea. So you can ask ChatGPT that I want to start an ebook business online. Write the step-by-step processes. So you can see. So right away, I encourage you, I urge you to start an online business as soon as possible by interacting with any of the, I'm using ChatGPT. You can use Bing Chat. You can use Claude AI. You can use Better Research. You can use any of the artificial intelligence to help you get knowledge, get the ideas, and then help you with the step-by-step processes to start your business. So you can, the artificial intelligence can actually write the book for you, and then you can publish. Okay, especially on Amazon books. All right, so you can start as soon as possible. All right, now let's move to the next item. from ideation, that is idea. The next we have is, yes, website. So after getting an idea for a business, I believe the next you have to do is, first of all, create social media pages and then have a website. Gone are the days where you would pay a website developer huge amount of money to develop a website for you. With tools, AI tools like Jora, 10Web, Framer, Unicorn, Hostinger, you can actually create websites in 3 minutes. You can create websites in 3 minutes. Okay. So these tools will help improve user experience whilst ensuring smooth operations of the website. So what do I mean by we can actually create a website in 3 minutes? So let's go back to our ChatGPT. So with my window open, I want to open 10Web. Okay, so I have 10web.io. Please, can you see the screen? So I have 10Web. I want to immediately create a website with 10Web. First of all, you will have to sign in. Okay, you will have to sign in. So you can actually create the website in 3 minutes. Let's sign in and see if that is possible. First of all, they are going to ask us to log in. Let's see. Let me log in with my email account. Okay. Oh, then I have to create an account. So let me create an account, sign up with Google. Okay, so you can see. So after signing up, they're asking me, what do you want to do? So you can actually, one, create a new website with AI. You can convert a website to a WordPress with AI. You can migrate an existing WordPress website to a 10Web hosting, and then you can optimize a WordPress website. Let's create a new website with AI. Okay. So the first question they're asking you is, let's start creating your website with AI. Answer a few questions. Of course, they are going to ask you a few questions. I want to create an informational website. One, you can also create an online store. So, for example, if your idea of the online business is an e-commerce business, you can start by creating a website. With just few minutes, you'll be done by creating the online store. Okay, so let's see. I want to create an online store. What's the store type? So it's either you want to sell kids ebook, bike, whatever it is that you want to sell, a paint store, whatever, online electronics store, whatever you want to store, you select it, and then you give it your store name. So let's say AI store. This is an example. But you, of course, your business will have a name, so you can use your business name. So I'm just using an example. AI electronic store. Okay, electronic store. And then they are saying describe your store. I can actually do that. Let me write. So we are the largest electronic store in Ghana. And then you can actually generate another text with artificial intelligence. So I'm generating. Okay, so you see, they've generated one for me. At our online electronics store, we offer a variety of gadgets and appliances to suit every need and budget. So all these, everything that you require can be generated by the artificial intelligence. Okay. So the next one is are the first three products of your store. So the first one, electronics. So mobile phone. So let's say Samsung Galaxy Note, Samsung Galaxy Note 10. This one is mobile phones. What else? What can I sell as an electronic store? Let me sell laptop. So HP, let's say Pavilion, i5, Core i5 laptop. And then this one will be laptops. And then what's the last one? Desktop computer. So Toshiba, i3 desktop. And then this one will be desktop computers. Now, choose the tone of voice content, formal. You see now, the AI will actually generate my website for me. Okay, so you will feed the information that you want. They only asked me for only some few information, and then, of course, the AI is preparing my website. Okay, so let's wait for the artificial intelligence. So paying for website was a big deal for a lot of people, paying 3,000, 5,000, 10,000. You can actually start a business by creating website for people. And then all you do is use the artificial intelligence, come and enter the details of the shop, the content of the shop owner, generate the website, and then charge 3,000, and then you are gone. This artificial intelligence will create the website for you to deliver to the client. Wow, look at the website generated by the artificial intelligence. So what did I do? I started creating the website right now, and I could literally charge someone 5,000 cedis for this website. So, but of course, you know that creating an online store like this for a client, you have to refine the contents to suit the client's logo, content, pictures, and all of that. But basically, in less than 3 minutes, I have generated an online store with an artificial intelligence that I can charge 5,000 cedis for from clients. Okay, so what you are taking from this conference is one, the first one, like I said, generating the ideas, starting any business from the ideas that the artificial intelligence will give you, and then tell it to write all the step-by-step processes. The next one is designing of website. So you can actually use an artificial intelligence to design a website for your company in 3 minutes, or you can use the artificial intelligence to design a website that you can offer to clients. So you are charging a client, let's say 3,000 to develop a site. You come to the artificial intelligence, type the name of the client's company, and then generate a website for the client, show it to the client, and then take your money. This is as simple as the easiest thing you can do now. Okay, so what you can take from this conference is take So, okay, let me take one or two questions. After designing the website, what happens to the hosting? So what happens is that 10 web hosting can do the hosting for you. They actually have everything. So when you sign up, you see all of those things. They can host for you. They can also get you the domain name. And then another person is also asking for the security of the website. Of course, the security is embedded. The website is actually managed by the 10 web hosting. So the security of the website is paramount. And they are actually using artificial intelligence tools to, of course, the security aspect. Okay, so this is a great tool. You can start as soon as possible. This is even enough for you to start charging customers, generating websites for them, and taking money to make a living. Now, let's go back to the next thing. Okay, so the one that I practically used right now is 10Web to design the website. Okay, within some few minutes. Now there is Dora. There you can search them online. So type Dora Dora AI in Google search, and then you can get a website. You can also get Framer, type Framer AI or Unicorn AI or Hostinger AI in Google search, and then you can get the website to go and then start interacting with the AI to develop the website for you. So we are moving to the next thing. Okay, so writing. This is one of the key areas in business. What we are doing writing in school, we are doing writing in business, of course, content for social media, writing letters, business letters, writing business proposal, and what have you. All these can be done with AI with the minimum effort. So a typical example is myself. I am managing about three to five companies, and I'm doing their letters, proposal, everything with artificial intelligence. Okay, so you can literally use that for all your businesses. But one key thing is how to use the artificial intelligence is very important. If I'm able to finish early, I will take you through how to use the artificial, because many people think that you just go to ChatGPT and ask a door question and then it will give you. No, you will have to have an exhaustive question that the ChatGPT will follow to give you a very well refined response. Okay, so that you can actually use it for your business, so you don't just go about and then go and it will give you the general knowledge or response, and then you come and give it to, they will see that you are generating with AI. You have to refine it a bit. Okay, and that is what we mean by prompt engineering. So in artificial intelligence, we have something called the prompt engineering. The artificial intelligence has reasoning. Now, if you ask vague questions, you will get vague responses. So in order to get like a refined or a quality responses, you will have to give quality or a very detailed questions, and that will give you quality responses. So writing, one of the areas where the artificial intelligence, the ideas was ebooks. Okay, you can literally start by creating ebooks and then having ideas. So for example, you have an idea of Poku Anansi did blah 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 blah. Write a little idea about that. Tell the artificial intelligence to refine the idea, and refine it more, and then turn it into an ebook. You can actually use the artificial intelligence to write for kids. And then I also show you some other artificial intelligence tools that you can use to design the cover art. And then for kids, for instance, the arts that they can be drawing, coloring, and so on and so forth. So for AI assistant writing, as for writing, we have the Write. Okay, we have the Jasper, we have the Longshot, we have the TextBlaze, we have the CopyMate, we have Write Sonic. I didn't add it. Write Sonic. We have ChatGPT. We also have the Cloud AI. Please note these tools down. If you want a copy of this presentation, because the tools are very, very important. So for the purposes of this presentation, I will go back to our ChatGPT and then ask it to write a letter with the prompt engineering thing that I told you about in mind. Let me go to ChatGPT. So artificial intelligence can actually help you to write all the things that you need. And for academic purposes, if you are here and then you are doing academics, and ChatGPT is not, it can be detected and so on and so forth. We have a paraphrasing tool like the Quillbot. Let me spell it here. Quillbot. So what Quillbot does is that after the AI has written the content for you, your writer for you, for if you are doing your master's program or your undergraduate program, you don't just submit the AI content. It can be marked for plagiarism. What you have to do is that copy the AI content and put it inside of the Quillbot. What the Quillbot will do is that the Quillbot will rephrase or paraphrase the AI in words to a human readable format. That will be undetected by the plagiarism checkers. Now let's go to ChatGPT. If you are new to ChatGPT, ChatGPT should design something for us. Where are you? Let's go to ChatGPT. So I'm going back to my ChatGPT. Okay, so I want to write a letter. Okay, so this is the prompt. Write. Okay, so letter forward. Let me write a proposal. So, for example, you are just interested in designing website for clients using AI. You use the AI. The client will not know you are using the AI, but you want a proposal. So you can tell the ChatGPT, right? Okay, as a website designer, I need a proposal for my clients. So you see, I'm getting into details. Write a proposal to sell my website services to my clients. The proposal should achieve the maximum results. Let's see. This is okay. Let's see. I just hope you are seeing my screen. Okay, we'll respond shortly. There's something wrong. Let's see. I don't know whether it's the internet. Let me, okay, let me start a new. I think there's a problem with the internet. Okay, let me refresh the page. Okay, so now I get to do it again. So let me paste and then let's see the response. As a website, I need a proposal for my client. Um, I think the issue is with um, the AI is having an issue. Okay, hi. Let me see. No, let me say hi. Let me switch to my 3.5. Okay, so the internet is working. Okay, now, okay, for using ChatGPT monthly, someone is asking a question. It's $20 for the GPT-4. I want to move on and then come back to you writing a proposal later because there seems to be an issue with the ChatGPT giving me response, even saying how it does not seem to work. Okay, so let's move on. But maybe I will, but in some few minutes, the thing will work. Let's come back to our, okay, okay. So we will try the writing in some few minutes. So making meetings more productive. Okay, so for meetings, if you are in the corporate world, for meetings, AI is transforming meetings with tools like TLDB, the CRISP, and Otter, which provide transcription services. Okay, so for meetings, um, there are AI tools for transcription services, the noise filtering, and then meeting summaries. So for the meeting summary, the AI will summarize the meeting for you. Okay, that is the minutes of the meeting. These tools ensure that meetings are more productive and that key takeaways are well documented for future reference. After every business meeting or corporate meeting, there is minutes of the meeting, and instead of having a manual minutes, it can be done by AI. Okay, there's also noise filtering, where the AI um, takes off the noise, of course, when you are doing an online meeting, and then also transcription services, where the AI will transcribe your content, okay, or whatever that is being said. Wished the ChatGPT will start working. Okay, they're still not working. Okay, let's move on to the next one. The next one is a very good tool. It's a very important tool. So for PDFs, those in academia and those in business understand the importance of having an AI tool for PDFs. Okay. So for PDFs, we have a very important AI tool called the Chat PDF. That helps you to interact with the PDF. You can tell the Chat PDF you upload the PDF, tell the Chat PDF to read the document and summarize. For productivity, you can ask it to do whatever you want with the PDF document. And this is a very, very important tool. Let's see if we can Chat PDF. A very, very important tool. Okay, so let me share the Chat PDF. Where are you? If you can see, so if you go to chatpdf.com, this is very, very useful for students, academia, and professionals. Okay, so you can literally drop any PDF. Let me see if I have PDF research articles. Let's see. Okay, so I have a PDF. Let me upload my PDF. So you can literally upload a PDF and then tell the Chat PDF to summarize, to create a presentation out of the PDF, to do anything that you want with the PDF. Okay, it's very, very, very important. It's a very, very important tool. If you have any question, you can write it down, and then so that we discuss. It's still processing. The Chat PDF is processing. So write it down, the chatpdf.com. Okay, so you see it has uploaded, processed, and then it's now analyzing the documents. After analyzing the documents, could not read PDF. Let's see if I can analyze enough. I have some couple of PDFs. It's very, very important too. Whilst it is processing, you can move on to the next item, then I can come back. So 2 items, the Chat PDF and the Chat GPT for proposal that seems not to be working. Let's see. Chat GPT is still not working. So let's continue with this. Okay, so the next one. Those into business, a very important tool is your customer service AI tools. Okay, so AI powered chatbots like Site GPT and the Chatbase have been instrumental in providing round the clock customer service. So for example, if you are into e-commerce business, or you are selling books online, whatever you are doing online, you can use any of these AI customer service representatives to handle all your customer service stuff. Okay, 24/7. You don't have to be there. So these chatbots free up human resources for more critical tasks, thus boosting overall productivity. So for instead of hiring a customer representative service person, you can employ the AI tools such as the Site GPT, the Chatbase, the Chat Simple, Custom GPT, and Mutual.info. These are tools that can literally help you to have a very good customer service representative. Of course, these are robots, so you don't have to. They don't have to sleep, and you don't have to worry about. Okay, so let's go back to our chat PDF. It's now working. Very, very good one. So if you can see my screen, I uploaded a paper, PDF, analysis of economic development based on environment resources in the mining sector. So you can see that the chat PDF has actually uploaded a paper, and then I have here an option to ask the chat PDF anything I have about, any question I have about the paper. So to your left is where you can add a new chat so that you can upload a new PDF, and then you can sign in to save your chat history. In the middle, you have the paper itself, okay, and to your right, you have the chat. So the chat here, you have where you can enter the prompt. So here, greetings. This PDF file is a research. So they are giving you a background of the paper that you uploaded. It is a research article published in the Journal of, Ancient Finance, Economics, and Business, focusing on the impact of government support and community involvement in mining stakeholders in North Morowali, Indonesia. So they are saying, so you can have, you can ask questions. So like this: what are the key findings of the research on the impact of government support and community involvement in mining stakeholders in North Morowali? You can see that if you are into academia and you are doing research, this is a very good tool. You don't have to analyze or read all the research papers yourself. You can get chat PDF to analyze the research, summarize the research paper, and then put out all the key findings so that you don't have to read 100 papers all by yourself. Okay. You can do that for any PDF that you have, business PDF. So if you are in business and someone has sent you a proposal, you can just upload the proposal. If you don't have time, upload the proposal into chat PDF. Ask questions like summarize the PDF, and then you press enter. The chat PDF will summarize all the proposal, that the information in the proposal PDF. Okay. Someone is asking, what's the difference between Chat GPT 3.5 and 4.0? When writing a statement of purpose for school application, would using ChatGPT disqualify my writing if they check plagiarism for AI input? Okay. So question number one, what's the difference between the ChatGPT 3.5 and 4.0? So the 3.5, the ChatGPT versions are dependent on the volume of data that is trained on. Okay. If I've forgotten the specifics, but the 3.5 has, let's say, 2 million data that is being trained on, for example. That's not the exact data. The 4.0 will have, let's say, 10 million data. So that will make the 4.0 better than the 3.5 because The 4.0 has a lot of data that it has been trained on. So that is basically the difference. So the information the 4.0 will give you will be more refined and near perfect than the 3.5. Number two, when writing a statement of purpose for school applications, would using ChatGPT disqualify my writing if they check for plagiarism or AI input? These are questions asked by someone in the comment section, so I want to answer it. One, with a statement of purpose for schools, the school would want to get some key ideas from you as a person. So don't just go to ChatGPT to ask, write a statement of purpose for me. No, don't do that. One, provide the ChatGPT with a copy of your CV, if possible. Two, provide the ChatGPT with your areas of interest and, if possible, your own write-up on the statement of purpose. So you can do a statement of purpose by yourself. Of course, not the perfect one, with all the errors. And tell ChatGPT to refine the statement of purpose that you have written. That is how we do academic stuff. You don't. The most important thing is that the idea is solely not coming from ChatGPT. That is when you have deviated. You must utter the idea yourself. The ChatGPT will just have to refine the idea for you. Okay, so these are the practices. Then number three, number one, I said you can upload your CV so that the ChatGPT knows what to talk about. Number two, your areas of interest. Number three, write the thing yourself. Forget about whether it is perfect or not. Then you send it into the ChatGPT, tell it to refine it for you. Then when you are done, number four, I introduce to you the Quillbot. Whatever ChatGPT will write, copy it and put it inside of the Quillbot. Quillbot will paraphrase what you have the AI has written so that it becomes a more human conversational thing instead of just a robot. And the Quillbot makes it undetectable for plagiarism. You understand? So that has been answered. Number three, which tool can be used to detect the percentage of AI in writing? There was a tool, but now all AI, most of the AI, most of the plagiarism checker have the AI embedded. Okay, so for example, the Turnitin, if you let me write it here so that we have the Turnitin. So Turnitin, you can Google it. Turnitin plagiarism checker. You can upload your file to check the percentage plagiarism. And then the last question is, which of the AI tools can I use to schedule postings or monitor impressions on social media platforms? So the one that I use, we will get there. No, question number 4, we will get there. I will introduce, so I do that a lot. So I manage social media for a lot of companies. Okay, how do I do it? All these companies think that I post at 6 a.m. every morning, but I'll be sleeping by then. I will take, let's say, Saturday evening to use AI to write all the content, use AI to schedule all the content, okay, all the postings. So every for the weekdays, Monday, all my company's social media profiles, 6 a.m., they are posting the content. So it will be as if I am hardworking. I post content every 6 a.m. So this guy, he wakes up early in the morning to post 6 a.m. No, I'll be sleeping by then. But the AI will do all the work. So the scheduling. Example is Simplify. I use Simplify. We will get there. So you can see Simplify. Go and check on social media, on Google. You can use it to, 1, write content, 2, schedule, and then monitor your impressions on the pages, social media pages. So if you are, this is the best time to be a social media marketer. Why? Because the AI tools will do everything for you whilst you sleep. Okay, so I've answered your questions. Now we are done with the chat PDF. You have seen how it works. Let's move on to the next one, which is so we have the customer. So an example of the customer representative stuff we have. I don't know if you have seen the Toby by Vodafone. Toby by Vodafone. We have all these banking services introducing chatbots. These are examples of the customer rep AI. Okay, so if you want to have one for your business, please, these are the tools. Do not hesitate to contact me also, or to ask for the presentation so that you can get the tools. Now, a more important aspect is the UX or the UI design. So a lot of people are into UX or UI design, and so someone will ask, what is UX or UI design? A lot of people are making money from the UX or UI design. If you are into tech and you want to do UX or UI design, you have to start. Now there are AI tools. What it means is what? The user experience design, okay, or user interface. What this literally means is that every app has the user interface. So from section to section, when you click here, what happens in the next interface? All these must be designed by someone in like a graphic interface before it is done by a front-end engineer or a software designer. Okay, so the person who does all the designs for the software, for the app, various stages of the app, is a UI or UX designer. That is the user interface or user experience designer. Now there are AI tools that actually helps with everything. So you learn to become a UX or UI designer. You apply for a remote role in, let's say, US. You are taking, let's say, $5,000 per month, and then you use the AI tools to do your work for you. So you have tools like UIZard, the UI Magic, that are leveraging AI to generate code from mockups. So this is even for front-end designers. So you can literally type whatever you want, generate the mockups, use the mockup to generate a front-end code. And that brings into my mind, now on ChatGPT, the 4.0, you can actually do a design, like do a mock-up design, upload the picture into the ChatGPT and tell it to write a code. Okay, generate a code. So if I'm a front-end designer, let me say very soon, front-end designers, your work, you will have to speed up with the AI, because the AI might be taking your work. Right after the UX or the UI designer finish with the mockup using their AI tools, they can actually upload the design into the ChatGPT, tell the ChatGPT to generate the code for this user interface. And then the ChatGPT generates all the JavaScript, all the Bootstrap, everything, all the designs complete. Even someone even used the ChatGPT, took a picture of an existing game, told the ChatGPT to create the same game code, the code for the game, and the code was generated. So please, it's better for you to get yourself advanced in the use of the artificial intelligence tools. It's very, very important. So for the UX or UI design, we have the UI. Just Google any of these tools. Okay, we have the Instant AI, we have the Galileo AI, we have Photoshop AI. Very, very, very important. Very important. Very, very important. If you have any, you can screenshot this page. If you have any US or UI designer friend, tell them to start using the tools, because very soon the manual way of doing things, they are archaic now. They are archaic now. You have to get yourself abreast with the latest tools, please. It's very, very important. The next one is automation. I don't know if okay. So the automation domain is driving tools with Make. So we have the Make AI, we have the Levity AI, we have the Zapier. These tools automate repetitive tasks and optimize workflow, allowing individuals and teams to focus on strategic initiatives. This specifically is for people in business. When you come to the corporate world, we have something called the workflows or the SharePoint workflows. You can use these AI tools to automate these workflows. Okay, workflows are basically actions that are related to the other. When you do this, the next one is this, the next one is this. It helps refine and modify, make it easy for teams to be able to follow up on work that is being done. Okay, so the next one is image. Very, very important tool. So these tools are top-notch tools. Please note them down. You can screenshot the page if you want. You can ask for the presentation slide if you want. So with image management, so advanced image recognition and processing capabilities of tools like Leap AI, Lens Go AI are revolutionizing image management, especially in the fields of digital marketing and design. So I don't know if you have heard of the Midjourney. You have the Lens Go AI, you have the Leap AI, you have the Stable Diffusion, you have the Bing AI. That will help you to generate images. And then recently, we have the DALL-E by the ChatGPT. Let me see if my ChatGPT is working now. I will use ChatGPT to create an image now for you to see. Let me see if it's working. Okay, it's working. ChatGPT is working now. So let me share my ChatGPT. Let's create an image. Let's create an image. Okay, so first, let's go back to our proposal. We are trying to generate a proposal. Let's see. Now that it's working. Regenerate. Now let's go back. Two things. We are generating our proposal, and then we will generate our image. Oh, why are you slow? So let's continue. When it is done, we'll come back and check. Let's continue. Today, ChatGPT is slow. I don't know why. But I wanted you to see the beauty of the DALL-E 3 by the ChatGPT. What it does is that it generates, I don't know if you have seen all the AI images around. Yes, Midjourney is paid, but now you don't have to use Midjourney. You can actually, with just $20, you can go for ChatGPT 4.0. It has a DALL-E 3 image generator built inside. That is what I wanted us to see. And then the ChatGPT is slowing down. Slowing down. Slowing down. I'm trying to see if it will work, because you appreciate the image generation most if I'm doing it practically. I also There is also one tool that is free. I will search and then get back to you on that. There is an image generation that is free. Let's see. I don't know if it is Lens. I think Lens AI or something. Lens Art. Let's see. I was using one that was free. It was free. I remember using. I was using it to create. It was free. I'll get back to you on that. But for now, I'm using the paid version with ChatGPT. So it makes. I don't know why ChatGPT is slowing down right now. Okay, doesn't seem to work. But these are the tools. So I'll get you the free version so that you can be using yourself. But these are the tools that you can note down. So how do you use these tools? It's also important. So for image generation, one, you can generate your company logo. Two, you can generate your user interface design. Okay. Three, you can generate you can all the designs. If you are into graphic design, you can do all your generations inside of the artificial intelligence. Very, very good tool. You can actually, if you're also a software front-end engineer, for instance, you can use the image generation AIs to generate the front end for you. Okay. And then you work around it. It's very, very important. It's very, very important. Okay, someone is saying there is a general issue with ChatGPT. Yeah, I think so. I'm trying to see if I can get the free version of the image generation. You will love it. You will love it. I just forgot. Okay, I don't know. I've just forgotten this AI that I was using before. It's free. Before and also video editing tools. So for video editing tools, we have the 85, we have the InVideo, we have the HeyGen, we have the Runway ML. Very, very good tool. Video editing. Please note these tools down because they are very important, especially the Runway ML. This is like the latest video editing, or you can actually use text to generate video. The AI will generate a professional video for you for your business marketing. For professional, the thing is perfect. Runway ML, very, very good tool that people are using to create videos. And then when you see the videos, you will not even see that it is AI generated. So these tools are very, very important. So I've introduced to you the image generation, the video editing generation. Now we are almost done. Design. If you are into graphic design, there is Canva AI. Tell the Canva you want a logo for your, let's say, your flower business, for your shoe business. It will generate logos for you to choose from. If you want a banner, you can use a text to define the context of the banner that you want. And as a graphic designer, you don't have to do the designs again. Canva can do everything for you. We have the Flare AI, we have the Clip Drop, we have the Boot AI, we have the Auto Draw. That will do all your designs for you to choose and then do the finishing yourself. Okay. So you can actually become if you know all these tools, you can learn how to use the tools and become a graphic designer. Okay. Become a graphic designer, take a graphic design job, charge for the job, go to canva.com. Let me show you how Canva works. Let me show you how Canva works. So let me go to Canva. Works so well. Okay. You go to Canva generate every logo that you want, and then send the logo to the client. Charge your 100 cedis, 200 cedis, depending on. Okay, so this is Canva. You are welcome to Canva. So there is a Magic Studio that helps you to enter the text that you want. You can also use 5 words to describe your design, and the design will be generated for you. So, for example, logo for my shoe business. Okay, Canva will generate logos for me. Okay, so these are very, very, very good tools that you can use as a graphic design. Of course, when you get the finishing, when you get the logo, you finish. You finish it by yourself. So as a designer, you take the concept and then you go and finish it by yourself. But literally, you can become a graphic designer now. Choose to become a graphic designer. Go and sit by the Canva, learn how to use it to generate presentations, videos, whatever. They are over here. Documents, logo, resume, Instagram story. So I actually think you can use it to create content for your social media page. That means that you can actually become a social media manager using Canva. Okay, so it's a very important tool. Please go and try. So you can use the Magic Studio to help you with the design. All right, so you can see Magic. You have the Magic Write that will help you to write, and then it becomes ideas. Okay, so it's very, very important. I was talking earlier on about the social media management. If you want, simplify.com. So here is it. So simplify.com is one of my secrets. So if you can see, simplify.com is your one AI tool for your graphic design, for your social media management, for your video editing, for everything, for AI copywriting. So you can literally use this to go and learn how it works, and go and charge people for the. You will say you're a social media marketing, then use this tool to manage the pages. Use the tool to write content for the pages. Use the tool to do what? Schedule posts. Okay, social media. When you're managing someone's social media, the person would want you to post at various intervals. So let's say in the morning you post, afternoon you post. This tool can do everything for you, and then you charge. All you have to do is to know how to use this tool. You won't do anything. It will write for you. Okay, it will create content for you. It will create the Instagram stories, everything for you. Okay, AI writer, AI graphic design, AI video editor, AI social media management. Please, even if you are taking this only for this conference, I will be very happy and glad, because that is what I use. Use it to manage your business. So from this conference, you can decide to become a social media marketing manager. You can decide to become a graphic designer with 0 ideas on the design. You can become a writer or a copywriter. You can write stories. All those things depends on you, because you now have the tools at your disposal. Of course, these are just tools. When you use the tools to get the work, you have to first of all read through one. If it is a design, check if the design is correct or suits what your client desires and the rest. But those are secondary matters. Okay, so from the key takeaways from this presentation is that you can literally become anything that you want to become. If you want to start business now, you can start now. Why? Because you can ask ChatGPT for all the ideas, all the guidelines as to how to succeed in that particular business. Okay. Simplified is not, there is a free version. Someone is asking if Simplified is free. I use the free version. Free version is good. It can help you. You can get started for free. The pro version is when you want to use it for a lot of things, but you can actually use everything in the Simplified for free. Okay, so you can start. Please note the tools down. Okay, Canva, Simplified. Is there any AI tool that can generate PowerPoint presentation? Yes, you can use the Bing AI to generate a PowerPoint presentation. You can also use the Gamma AI. You have something called the Gamma AI. The Gamma AI to generate. Let me open it here. Let's all see. You have the Gamma AI. We have the Gamma AI. You have the Gamma AI. Gamma AI. Someone is asking if you can use any tools for presentation generation. So, and by the way, this presentation was generated by an artificial intelligence. I just happened to refine it, and then, of course, put all the tools inside of the work. But the whole matter of the content itself was, I can't come and present on AI without using AI to do my work. So you can see Gamma AI. They are trying to load something. So you can go to Gamma AI, try for free, and then presentation. They can give you beautiful presentation. You just have to enter your topics. You can also use the Bing AI, the Bing AI to generate presentations as well. All you have to do is to type in the topics, and then where is it? So Bing Charts, Bing Images, Maps. Where is it? So we have the Bing Charts. Okay, so Bing AI can do the work for you as well. So we have the Gamma AI too. So please, so you can see Bing AI can also generate the chart for you, the presentation for you. If you want the content of the presentation, you can also ask ChatGPT to type the topic in ChatGPT. Tell it to write a presentation on the topic. Also very good. So this is the Gamma AI. Okay, someone said he has been using the Gamma AI and it's very cool. So the tools should be at your disposal. Okay. Let's see. What's the next thing on that? So we have covered the design. We have covered the video editing. So Runway ML, please go and research on the Runway ML. It's my assignment for you. Runway ML, research on Runway ML. If you are able to learn the Runway ML very well, you will be a hot cake in the future. You will be a hot cake in the future. Runway ML is a video editing tool. You will be creating great video presentations for corporate if you learn Runway ML. It's my assignment for you. Marketing. Okay, so Simplified is here. So for social media marketing, we have the pencil, we have the AI ads, we have the ad copy, we have Simplified, we have the ad creative. I use the Simplified, and that is what I showed you. So Simplified actually will do all your marketing for you, creating the content per your page, what you are doing, and then post them at regular intervals for you. If you're also managing Twitter, there are tools like Typefy, we have Tweetlify, we have the Postwise, we have the, so these tools helps you to effectively manage Twitter. Okay, these tools helps you to effectively manage Twitter, especially if those of you who are managing companies' Twitter profiles. Okay, so if you are managing several companies, profiles. Okay, someone is asking what of TikTok. TikTok. Okay, I will get back to you on that. TikTok will probably be a video. So to post on TikTok is usually a video. So you use, let's say, simplified AI to generate or create your videos. Okay, and then you post on the TikTok. All right, and then so having exposed you to all these tools, what is the road ahead for AI? So the proliferation of the AI tools is a testament to the monumental role AI plays in enhancing productivity. So we can all see that from the presentation so far, AI is a tool that can enhance productivity. And like I keep saying, if you didn't know anything till this presentation, you can become a graphic designer. You don't know how to design. You don't have to know how to design graphic design. You can become a video editor. You can become the UIX editor. You can become whatever you want. Just go and learn how to use the tools. How do you use the tools? Open the tool, enter what you want it to provide for you. It will provide for you. Try to refine it, and then be able to sell it to clients. The most important thing is you can design websites in 3 minutes for clients now and charge 2,000, 3,000, 5,000. If you don't want to charge even big, you can say that I'm charging 3,000, but because of discount, I'm charging, let's say, 900 or 1,000. And then you will come and use the AI in 3 minutes, generate and go your way. And then if you do it if it is 1,000 cedis and you are doing it for 10 companies, that's 10,000. So from now, anybody that joined this presentation, you are one, you are a website designer. Two, you are a graphic designer. I put it on you that you are a graphic designer. Three, you are a social media manager. You know the tools now. Okay, so please, it is very, very important that you learn the tools. The scope and capabilities of the AI tools are vast, and these are continually evolving, making it an exciting time for individuals and businesses keen on harnessing the power of AI to enhance productivity and achieve their goals. So it is very important that now, more than ever, that you learn artificial intelligence. If you don't learn artificial intelligence tools to enhance your productivity, you will fall behind. I don't know if you know, even lawyers, there are Ghanaians that are working on an AI for law in Ghana. Very soon, people will not go for lawyers to write certain write-ups like legal documents and the rest. The people are training, they call it the Kwame AI or something, that they are training a law and artificial intelligence in legal systems in Ghana, that you can sit in the comfort of your home, ask the AI your issue with another person. Then the AI will give you all the guidelines and the documentation. You wouldn't need a lawyer. So if you're a lawyer, I've given you the secret. Go and get abreast with AI tools such as the Kwame AI, so that you will use the AI to your advantage. The AI is not supposed to replace you. It is supposed to enhance your productivity. But if you don't know how to use AI, I'm sorry to say, someone is designing a website in under 5 minutes. Then you will come and you want to charge 5,000 cedis and you are using 3 months to design an AI, you will be out of the market very soon. Thank you very much for this presentation. Let me answer some of your questions and then. Okay. Which AI is used to design a website? Oh, you just came late. We went through all of that in this presentation. We created a full-fledged website with an artificial intelligence with in less than 3 minutes. I think so. And it's actually an e-commerce website. Let me see if it's still here. It's an e-commerce website. So you can use, you are asking whether you can use you can use 10Web. So let me open it for you to see. This is what we created. This is the AI, the website we created in under 3 minutes in this presentation. We created an electronic store. So all these were done by artificial intelligence. We just entered the name of the store, which is AI Electronic Store. And then the AI generated everything, including the pictures for us. So in the store, we were to sell mobile phones, laptops, and the rest. So all you need to do is to create something like this, go and charge 5,000 cedis, and then create something like this in less than maximum of 5 minutes. The AI will finish generating the website for you. So I've told you without number that from this presentation, you are a website designer. All you need to do is to go to 10Web. Go to 10Web, generate, this is a website, you see AI website builder. Go to 10Web, generate website, give it to your client, and then take your money, and then you can earn a living. Okay, those who came late, there will be recorded session for you. Okay, so I've answered the question, which AI is used to design a website. It is free. It is free. The 10Web is free. The pro version will only ask you for extra thing that you might not need it in the everything you need is probably in the free version. Okay. So we bring the presentation to an end. If you need a copy of the slides, please indicate. Let me see if I can share. And then, yes, could you please share your slides? Let me see. Computer. I'm trying to see if I can share my slides. Desktop. AI presentation. Okay, so I'm sharing the slides. In the slides, you find all the tools that are needed. Please, it's very, very important. I've already answered the vulnerability of the site to hackers. What I'm saying is that the site itself is powered by AI, and the 10Web, they are actually having all those things. So they have the security in mind. So you don't have to worry about the vulnerability of the site. Of course, they will update the vulnerabilities when they need be. Okay, so you don't have to worry about it. So thank you so much. I've uploaded the presentation. If you came late, the presentation is here. The most important thing is you get the tools. Go and research on the tools, because if you, like I keep saying, if you don't get yourself abreast with the latest AI tools, in the next 5 years, you'll be out of business. Believe me, you'll be out of business. Even lawyers, even doctors. There are actually tools that they are creating for doctors. Okay, medical, especially those that recommend medicine. I don't know if they call them the physician assistant or so. So you go and tell them your problem, and then they recommend the drugs for you. So they are training AIs that can actually do that. Because if a human being can listen to the problem and then recommend a medicine, AI can also, based on training with various problems and the recommendation of the medicine, can also predict or tell sick people about the drugs that they should use. So if you don't get abreast with the AI tools, you'll be found wanting in the future. Thanks so much for this presentation. About 20 to 25 people joined. Thank you all so much. My name is Eric Apia again from Apia IT Systems. You can reach me on my LinkedIn. Very, very important. Contact me on my LinkedIn. Let me share my LinkedIn, please, so that I can guide you if you have any other questions outside of this platform. Oh, so let me copy and then paste my LinkedIn. Please, let's click on the link. That's my LinkedIn. Let's connect. It's very, very important we connect. And then if you have any issue, you let me know. So thank you for this presentation. That brings to the end of this presentation. Thank you so much.